Hey friends, do you know the definition of insanity? It is doing the same thing over and over and over again and expecting different results. Oh my gosh, I feel like we do this constantly when we're posting on social media, especially in the beginning. We're just, throwing spaghetti at the wall. We're definitely just we have no strategy. We don't really know the etiquette of the social media platforms, all that good stuff. Until we learn, I feel like we're driving ourselves insane, and we are. So what I want to do here is just give you a series of short videos and kind of give you bite-sized information so you can build upon it and get to the end where there's a strategy piece so that you understand things from 101 all the way up to 303. I don't know. Whatever we want to make it, right? So the first thing I want you guys to know is that what the purpose of content is. Content is your social media posts, are your social media posts, are your articles. Content is your email, your blogs, your direct mail pieces, like all of the stuff we create to, the purpose of it is to build the know, like, and trust factor. And we want to build that know, like, and trust factor with our niche market, our target audiences. No matter what business you are, real estate agent, direct sales, accountant, you have to have an audience that you focus on. That way you don't confuse them. But let's back up. That's going to be a video for another day. Let's back up to, I just want you to know what the purpose of content is. And like I said, know, like, and trust factor. That's what we're trying to build with what we're creating on social media and in our other platforms as well. Now, you may have also heard that the other purpose of content is to entertain, educate, inspire, and convince. And yes, those are all true as well, but those are the ways that you create those, create the know, like, and trust factor, okay? So just know that it's all true. But what is a myth? What is a myth is that if you create the right type of content, it's going to give you a sale. There's so much more to the sales process, and it takes so many more steps, and marketing content alone is not going to get you the sale. It may not get you the sale. I mean, if it does, it's kind of a fluke. Okay? And there's, like I said, so much more to the sales process. But for today, I just wanted you to know the purpose of content. We are building the know, like, and trust factor with our target audience, our niche market. So the next video, we're going to talk about the goal of content. I was right the first time. And until then, what I'd love you guys to do is head on over to my website, which is sociallybranded.live. I'll put that in the comments below, so you can just link over there. But what I have over there is a free PDF that has 14 different places you can get content ideas for your next post. And you don't have to join my email list, none of that stuff. Just go and download it, sociallybranded.live. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.